Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and you're watching on honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how I did my women empowerment inspired nail art. First, I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. Then after letting that to dry, I'm applying 2 coats of white nail polish. I'm letting the first layer to dry before applying another. For my index nail, I'll be using the shades Glisten, Vibrant Violet, Striking Red, and Sparkle. These are nail polishes by Nail Love and it's by HPC. I'm using these shades to create some colorful background. I'm using a detail brush to paint each shade on my white base. After letting all of those to dry, I'm applying a layer of top coat. Then I'm stamping R in the middle of my nail. Then G. Then L. Next, I'm stamping W. Then P. Then R. And our girl power nail is done. Let's move on to my middle nail. I'm doing a gradient next, so I'm applying liquid latex for an easier cleanup. Now I'm painting a piece of cosmetic sponge with pink and blue. Now let's dab it onto the nail. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. After that, let's peel off the liquid latex. To smoothen the gradient, let's apply top coat. After letting it to dry, I'm painting the women's symbol with white. After that, I'm painting it with the shade Blush Pink. And there you have it. For my ring nail, I'm painting my nail with 2 coats of Tropical Lemon Daiquiri. After letting it dry, I'm stamping this design. For my pinky nail, I'm painting it with 2 coats of Sunset Party. Then after letting it dry, I'm applying top coat and I'm adding this bow jewel. And lastly, on my thumbnail, I'm using Flare Bronze to do a dry brush design. Make sure that the brush of your nail polish is almost out of polish before randomly applying it onto your nail. Then I did it with 2 more shades. Then I'm stamping this design. After letting each nail to dry, it's time to apply a thick layer of top coat. Don't forget to seal in the tips for a long-lasting manicure. And that's it! I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial! Don't forget to give this video a like and share it to your friends. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!